In this video, we're going to discuss Heron's formula, which is a formula that lets us calculate the area of a triangle if we know the length of the three sides. So to start off, I'm going to write out the formula, which is area equals square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. Here, s is equal to half the perimeter, which is going to be a plus b plus c all over 2. So let's look at a couple practice problems. To start off, let's say that we have a is equal to 14 centimeters, b is equal to 13 centimeters, and c is equal to 15 centimeters. When we're using Heron's formula, the first step is going to be to find what s is. So we're going to plug in all the sides. 14 plus 13 plus 15 all over 2. This equals 42 over 2, which is then 21. Okay, now we can run through the area formula. We're going to have 21. Then we're going to have 21 minus 14, which is s minus a. Then s minus b, which is 21 minus 13. And then finally, s minus c, 21 minus 15. Area equals 21 times 7 times 8 times 6. This is going to be the square root of 7,056. And then in the end, we'll get that the area is 84 centimeters squared. Let's do another one. In this case, we're given A is equal to 11 centimeters, B is equal to 13 centimeters, C we don't know, and then we're given the perimeter equal to 32 centimeters. So first things first, we want to figure out what C is. So we're going to take the full perimeter, we're going to subtract side A, which is 11, and we're going to subtract side B, which is 13, and then C is going to equal 8 centimeters. So actually, let's just fill this in. Now we're going to find S, which, as we said before, was A plus B plus C over 2. But now we already were given the perimeter, so we're just going to plug that in. 32 over 2. And then this is going to be 16. Now we can fill out the area formula. So we're going to have 16 times 16 minus 11, which is going to be 5. Then 16 minus 13, which is going to be 3. And then 16 minus 8, which is going to be 8. So then we get area is equal to the square root of 1,920. And that gives us area is equal to 43.8 centimeters squared.